If you need clear visual infographics for presentations, social media, or educational content, but don't want to spend hours in design software, AI can help. In this video, I'll show you how to create infographics using Nano Pro inside OpenArt AI, step by step. And also before we start, you can find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so open it now and let us start creating. So firstly, why does Nano Pro work so well for infographics? So Nano Pro is well known and well suited for infographics because it focuses on clean layouts, structured visuals, readable text placement, consistent icon and color usage. It's especially useful for concept infographics, visual explanations, and layout ideas. So now, how do we choose this Nano Pro? So firstly, you have two ways. You of course need to start generating an image. For that, you either go to Home, then go here, Image, create an image, or you go Image here, and then you press on Create Image right over here. And then this interface opens up. And in here, first settings to choose are going to be setting a vertical or square canvas size. This can be done in output settings. So as you can see, we have different sizes. You can even go for ultra wide. I will just choose widescreen. And also now this gets us to deciding what the infographic will explain. Choosing the right format early helps with readability. Let us define the infographic content. Before writing the prompt, outline, title, main sections or steps, key data points. Keep the content short and visual. Infographics work best with minimal text. So I chose this particular prompt, and you of course can go ahead and type in yours. Helpful prompt elements: infographic layout, flat design or minimal style, icons and diagrams, clear hierarchy and spacing. Avoid overloading the prompt with too much text. After you've chosen your prompt, you can just choose which resolution you wish. I'll go for 2K and I'll create 3 images. Then press on Create, and of course you can see how many credits you'll be charged for this generation. And now let's wait for generation to complete. And then you can also iterate for better clarity. Infographics usually improved with iteration. You can try fewer words, larger icons, stronger contrast, simpler layouts. The goal is instant understanding, not decoration. So here's our first one. One of them is still being generated. As you can see, we have created our first image. And now, as you can see, all of the text seems to be intact. Let us actually check it. Of course, guys, don't forget, in order to export, you can just download as and choose, for example, lossless, and there you go. All right, so let us see. So all of the words seem to be completely intact. Nothing is broken. Yep, all of the text is pretty, I would say even ideal. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Great. So as you can see, we have generated everything, and you can just scroll them and see if there's maybe any errors in the AI. It's still not perfect, so just go ahead and check how they look like. And once again, when you're happy, you can just download your infographic, use it for presentations, posts, or documents, and also add the final text edits if needed in a design tool. So infographics don't need to be complex to be effective. With Nano Pro inside OpenArt AI, you can generate clean, informative visuals quickly. If you want to try this yourself, you'll find the OpenArt AI link in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Like and subscribe if this helped, and thanks for watching.